Accidentally deleted a record in Salesforce and now the recycle bin is nowhere to be found? I have been there, and it is a panic you do not need. In about 2 minutes, I will show you exactly how to put the recycle bin right into your navigation bar so you can restore anything in seconds. Here is the plan. We are going to customize your navigation menu. We will edit the nav items, search for the recycle bin, add it, and save it. That is it. Let me walk you through it step by step.
All right, the first thing you want to do is look at the top of your screen in the main navigation bar. See that little pen icon in the upper right corner? That is the Edit Nav Items button. Go ahead and click that. This opens up the menu where you control everything that appears in your navigation bar. It is your command center for keeping your most used tools front and center. So now that menu is open, and you will see a list of items already in your nav bar. But we need to add something new.
Look at the bottom of that list on the left side. There is a button that says Add More Items. Click that one. This opens the full library of everything you can pin to your nav bar. Now, when that library opens, you will see a few tabs at the top, like Recent and All. Go ahead and click the All tab. This shows every single available item in Salesforce. It is a long list, but do not worry, we are not scrolling through it. Here is the really important part. In that All tab, there is a search box at the top. Type in Recycle Bin. Just hit those 2 words and watch the list filter down instantly. And there it is. The Recycle Bin option shows up in the search results below. Now, click on Recycle Bin to select it. You will see it highlights. Then look to the right of the search results, and you will see a button that says Add One Nav Item. Click that. It will move the recycle bin over to your selected items list. That is the list of items that actually show up in your nav bar. Finally, we need to make it permanent. Scroll down to the bottom of that panel and click the blue Save button. That is it. Salesforce will apply the change and your navigation bar will reload. Now, you will see the recycle bin sitting right there in your nav bar. Anytime you need it, it is 1 click away. And here is a quick tip I have learned from doing this dozens of times. You can actually drag and drop the recycle bin to reorder it in your nav bar. So if you want it to be the first item or the last, just hold and drag it while you are still in that edit mode. But once it is saved, it is locked in. That is really all there is to it. No more frantic searching for deleted records. You have got the recycle bin right where you need it. If this helped you out, give it a like and subscribe for more Salesforce tips that actually make your day easier. Happy restoring!